Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Morgan's Report. To the point, he was just put here, white dress, wet paws because it's warm. This is where he's sat. This is your spot, isn't it? So yes, as we can tell, warm weather, summer dresses are back, I'm liking it guys. So yeah.
Did you wear them? Because I tell you to, don't you Grace? Just getting it in there before we get all the comments, oh, you're only doing it for YouTube.
You tell me what to wear.
Yeah, right. I would never dare. I wouldn't tell any woman what to wear. But over the last 3 years, to be honest, it has become a topic of discussion.
Yes, it has. And to be fair, people that are new do worry, but I like wearing my summer dresses. So yes, they are starting to come out. So warning for people. But yes, on Morgan's Report, he's not the happiest, guys, because we did the trains and obviously Saturday night didn't go that well.
Cameras, electrics.
Yeah, as people say, it's whenever you want to film things, it always goes. But with the across bit now, obviously, we've started doing it. Yes, it's ballasted.
It's called the bridge.
The bridge, yeah, I don't know what I thought there. But the biggest thing you are supposed to do is obviously leave your ballasting for a while once you've laid your track. The only reason this has been ballasted, guys, is obviously this is one single bit of track. So it is not going to affect, if it is a case of it needs to cut down a bit, it's at the end. So again, it's not going to affect it. We are not ballasting anywhere else. It's just purely this was just a way, let's get this bit completed. The only thing we did find with noise is people tell me off for using my tweezers. Well, I'm using them again, guys, because I didn't this time. And there was so much up by the rails, I've literally had to pick it off, ruin the rusting I've done on my rails. So the tweezers will be coming out when we do the ballasting again. Don't know about the mountain, so depends what I'm wearing. But, yes.
But yeah, let's make it absolutely 100% clear. I don't tell you what to wear. You don't wear these things for YouTube. Because what did I say to you when you walked in here this morning? I said, are you doing weeding again? Guys, she wears summer dresses while she's out in the garden weeding.
I've mucked out horses and hills in a skirt before.
Yeah,
so,
because this is what you want to wear. Anyway, let's get back on topic.
So yes, anyway, this week, do remember as well, coming up, we don't know what's happening with Saturday's Live because obviously Brian is due. We need to talk to him, so please do keep an eye for that. And obviously patrons and members next Tuesday will be your patrons and members as long as nothing gets in the way, you know. This week, what is this week about, Rob? Is it what I said or...?
Yeah, what you said. And I am going to make... I mean, people might find it a bit boring, but I am going to make a start on putting the droppers in. I'll be putting all the droppers into the track before doing the bus wire because I want the bus wire to be underneath where the rails are rather than to one side. So it's easier if I put the droppers through the board and put the bus wire right next to it. Because this time, as I said, thanks to Gavin, apart from the absolute messes in here, we printed a load of these plastic cable ties. And we did have a comment. Someone else has actually done the same thing. They got 4-way. So yeah, printed the cable screw tidy things. Got a load of screws, cable ties. So this time round it will be tidy.
So as well as that, obviously, like I said, it is about mountains. Now we have had the idea of an additional rail. Rob toyed with a whole track. But obviously being radius 2, we don't really have anything that's DCC capable.
Excuse me.
So that's gone.
The noise is the birds, by the way.
But we are going to have a extra runoff, so that's going to go in. So this needs slight moving, putting a bit of a back. Luckily the gap is big enough anyway with the 4 under there. But I've actually thought, guys, I might have a home for, not my farm, but we're still going to keep the horses. So those are the old stables. I have made new ones. So we're actually going to turn this into like the horsey place.
Well, can't your farm go right in the far corner?
What I mean is you can't have the fields for cows, for sheds.
No, I get that, but you can have your farmhouse in the far corner.
I thought here and stables there. That's what I mean. This was
okay.
This was there to be put safe after the accident before.
Can you move the windmill so they can see? That's it.
yeah, after obviously the big crush before, I put it up there and I thought, you know what, why not have the horses there? So anyway, guys, I think on that we're going to head off. I don't think there's any announcements. If we forgot, Rob will put it in the comments. But we have trains running again and it is great. So thank you all and we'll see you maybe at the weekend, if not patrons and members Tuesday. Bye bye.